Inside Stuff this week with Oloja is on 3 clear messages from Abuja, on the president's daughter and presidential jet, federal government's ban on Amotekun, and the Supreme Court's curious decision on Imo State governorship election. And this is the reason I think we should reflect on these 3 clear messages. I think instead of lamenting all the time on the way we are on all these issues, we should think of actionable plans. We should think on how to fix our broken walls. And this is the reason we should go like this. On the first daughter's flight to Bauchi, I think instead of lamenting on the implications, instead of lamenting on morality in the presidency, we should concentrate on what is actually wrong in the presidency. I have talked about a chaotic presidency, and I think we should reflect on what is broken there. I have covered the presidency for 32 years, and I know how the place works and why it doesn't work. And I think what is wrong at the moment is that the presidential bureaucracy is broken and it should be fixed. The office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation is the head of the presidential bureaucracy, supported by the Chief of Staff, the head of service and office of the Federal Civil Service Commission. If the presidential bureaucracy is functional, this public relations tragedy will not have occurred. So it is broken, it should be fixed. Federal government's ban on Amotekun, the second issue, I think this is not necessary. The Attorney General of the Federation should not have announced that ban. In the first instance, it is the Interior Minister's responsibility to announce the ban. But the announcement of the ban is not the issue. There have been 23 outfits like Amotekun in the Federation, and they have been functioning. Why the ban on Amotekun? But this is just a clear message to Nigerians that the federal government is not committed at all to restructuring of the federation at the moment. That is what the nation needs. It is in their manifesto, but why don't they want to implement this? And I think we should reflect on this commitment. We should hold them responsible. It's our responsibility to hold them to account. Then on the Supreme Court's curious decision on the Imo State governorship election, I think the message is also clear that people's votes do not matter. It is the decision of the apex court in the land that matters. People no longer decide who rules them. It is the court. Because from that message, you can see that the votes that the INEC, the Election Management Agency, doesn't count, can be counted by the apex court, and then a winner will emerge. This is not the kind of jurisprudential significance we need at this time. This is what I mean by what happened in Imo State. It's a clear message that our electoral justice system is not good for the country. This is Inside Stuff with Oloja, The Guardian, Nigeria.